I can't help it. Needing niggas, I swear they ain't help shit. Come out of breakfast, I be get dealt with. On hots with the rip tryna melt shit. Damn, Hoppy get hit with some hot shit. With his bullshit, get bopped and do thot shit. Watch her drop it, and you know that I told her don't stop it. Pop it, we said I was gotta flock it. That boy dissing, he talking all nonsense. We tryna bring take a while off the hopless. Yeah, I'm still towing the knock. Like, no, I can't let up.
Like, damn, I can't help that my students not free. Gotta stack for the bell, won't stop for the beat. And my 20 raise, hell no, he do it for P. I'ma stop for myself, not gon' do it for me. Fuck help in the world, taking risks for the team. Cause all the shit fell in love with the beat. Like, new oh, now he get steam. Got the new drop, now we all about the steam. Sit them ways on him, and be loving the cut, yelling O's, getting shot if they play with him. What they say to them, no ability to order, I pop with the cut, now that's dangerous.
That's on bro, I'm a bro, I be anxious. I can't fuck with no hoe, now I'm famous. Can't be fucked with, I'm feeling like baby. Shit got tight, had to tuck the 380. More deuce in my fago, got me feeling weight. No, I that got hit, now he lazy. Please don't fuck up my move, I get crazy. Get the boom and this shit got no safety. Niggas acting, I swear that I'm not. He got boom trying to save him a thought. I get active, just go ask the op. This shit'll get tragic, you with it or not. Better boom, better duck. If he tripped, then that boy out of luck. Chase him down like I play for the Bucks. I married his denims and pops be stuffed. That's enough. Think it's sweet, man, this shit'll get tough. Think he bold, man, just watch him get tough. I depend on no man, cause I know that I'm clutch. Let him rush, 30 and better. That's enough. He get hair from the neck up, make him hush. Demons with me, you know that they anxious. She act naughty, she want me to spank her. I lied on my clip, but I ain't tryna waste it. Been through the back of the trap, tryna frame shit. Cause he with me, I can't really tame him. Spider hop, chase him down, tryna flame him.
Rearrange him, couple of things I can't name him. See, I go to a blazer, he creep through the back, put a hole in his back, tryna dame him. It's how niggas wanna be famous. No, I'm neighborhood crip and I'm sanctioned. Don't start wait, catch a hit when the claimants. None of my hitters work day shifts.
Wait.
I can't help it.
OG's the fuck up. I be out shot.
I'm too happy, gotta keep it top. Big down Woody can't come to my block. L steady, why you on dick? Spit through this side, we gon' do you like brick. Fuck them niggas that switched on back. Stay with the rips, I don't fuck with the max. Spit through the time when we smoking the hat. Every jacking that nigga, I'm counting his time. I'm too happy, gotta keep it top. Big down Woody can't come to my block. L steady, why you on dick? Spit through this side, we gon' do you like brick. Fuck them niggas that switched on back. Stay with the rips, I don't fuck with the max. Spit through the time when we smoking the hat. Every jacking that nigga, I'm